I love making Amish recipes. On the channel, I have made Amish cinnamon bread, Amish apple fritter, Amish potato salad. Today, I'm going to be making a Amish banana bread. Amish recipes are simple and delicious, and this one is no exception. This Amish banana bread recipe is perfectly moist and it's made with simple ingredients. This is a perfect addition to a breakfast, brunch, or snack. I know you're going to like this one. And when you do, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit notifications so that you get all of our recipes as they post. Now let's stir this one together. To start the Amish banana bread, I will need to get a 4x9 loaf pan. I have sprayed this with baker's joy and I have lined it with parchment paper with the flats up. So this will make it really easy to get out of the pan. And preheat your oven to 350 degrees. For our dry ingredients, we need 1.5 cups of all purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of salt. I'm just using a sea salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon, I did go a little bit more, of cinnamon. And you're just going to whisk this all together. Then you'll set it aside. Now we need to get our wet ingredients. I need 1 stick of butter and I need 3/4 cup of sugar, and we're going to cream this together. We will then add 2 eggs. The butter was at room temperature, and we'll mix these together. To our recipe, we're going to now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And to really amp up the moisture in this bread, we're going to add 1/3 cup of sour cream. We'll give this a quick mix. To our wet ingredients, we're going to add our dry ingredients that we had mixed up earlier. So add this a little bit at a time and get that mixed in really good, but don't overmix. I have given it a little mix, and now I'm going to add the star of the show, the mashed bananas. I just mashed these with a potato masher. You'll see right up in the corner. And we'll get these stirred in. This is all mixed together. We're going to get rid of the mixer and we're going to fold in some nuts. For my nuts, I am using roasted walnuts. If you do not roast your nuts before you put them in recipes, you are not getting the full flavor of that nut. So I do recommend you roast those nuts. And then we're just going to fold these in. These nuts are folded in. Now we're going to add this to our loaf pan. You'll just pour your batter right into your prepared pan. This is a thick batter, but this is bread, so it's supposed to be thick. That is our batter. Now we will smooth this out on top, just as smooth or even as you can get it. How easy was that? This will go in the oven for 50 to 60 minutes at 350 degrees until it passes the toothpick test. I'm going to put mine on a cookie sheet just in case it cooks over. It will not get in my oven. Our Amish banana bread is out of the oven and this house smells delightful. We're going to let it sit here and cool a little bit. Then we're going to move it over to the rack. The Amish banana bread has cooled about 10 minutes, and now I'm going to move it over to a rack. See how handy those little handles come in? And just let it completely cool on the rack. This Amish banana bread turned out perfect. Let me show you how moist this is. Look at how soft that bread is. And look at that. That is going to be a perfect bite. The cook always has to taste whatever it is that she cooks or bakes before it leaves the kitchen, and I'm going to do just that. that is delicious. The walnuts in it are crunchy, bananas. It's so sweet. Guys, you're going to love this one. I hope that you will try this recipe in your home, as well as check out the other recipes that we have on the channel. Like I said, we have more Amish recipes that we have shared. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit notifications so that you get all of our recipes as they post. And until next time, you guys take care and God bless.